Welcome to Product Critique, where we test, explore, and break down your favorite beauty products. In today's video, we're diving into what's been called the best water tint lip stain on the market. The Etude Dear Darling Water Tint in the shade Cherryade. From the first swipe to all-day wear, we're going to see what makes this tint such a standout among K-beauty lovers. So let's get right into it. Right out of the box, the packaging is super cute and compact. It feels like you're holding a tiny bottle of juicy cherry soda. The Cherryade shade gives off strong fruity vibes, and the scent lives up to the name too. As soon as you open the bottle, you get this refreshing, sweet cherry fragrance that's not overwhelming but definitely noticeable in a good way. The applicator is a standard doe foot, giving you precision while still spreading product evenly. The texture? It's lightweight, almost watery, and that's exactly what you want in a lip stain that claims to feel weightless and fresh. Time to put it on. You only need a small amount for a vivid splash of color, and it spreads beautifully across the lips. There's no stickiness, no heaviness, and no clumping, just a smooth coat of cherry tint that sets in quickly. Because of its watery gel formula, you can build it up for more intensity or blend it out for that soft, bitten lip look. And here's the magic, once it sets, it really doesn't budge. We even did a tissue blot test, and it passed with flying colors. No smudging, no transferring. This is one of those rare products that gives you pigment and performance. We wore the Etude Dear Darling Water Tint for a full day, through coffee, snacks, and even a late lunch. The color stuck around impressively well. Of course, as with any tint, there's some fading over time, especially in the inner lip area. But the overall flush of color stays put and fades gracefully without becoming patchy. The Etude Dear Darling Water Tint in Cherryade definitely lives up to its name as the best water tint lip stain. It's smudge-proof, kiss-proof, ultra-lightweight, and actually moisturizing, which is a rare combo for lip stains. Whether you're going for a natural flush or a more vivid pop of color, this product delivers with ease. The juicy cherry color adds energy and brightness to your look without being overpowering. And the fruity, refreshing finish really gives it that unique edge over traditional lipsticks or glosses. If you're looking for an affordable, long-lasting, and fun lip tint, this one should absolutely be on your list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a review here on Product Critique. See you next time.